你喜不喜欢上面的花花？
喜欢。
你最喜欢的粉红色，对不对
？A necklace.
Yeah, good idea. 你要不要妈咪帮忙？
No. Good to have a song, the fairy song, because I just had a birthday today.
Can you take Ma to change nappy, please? Yeah. Wow. Pretty dress. You wanna try it on?
Where's the ribbon?
Wow.
Daddy, look what dress I got.
Oh, that's lovely.
It's got a ribbon on it. Okay. Mummy, I want to pop the necklace on with it.
Okay.
The necklace has to be with the dress.
Okay.
I can't get it through the eye. Mommy, I can't get it through the eye.
No, you're alright. 那个是后面 I think. The back. Yep. That's why I will change it to the front in a minute. Put it up. Oh, that's pretty girl. Twirling. Do some twirling. Woohoo! 啊，你要跟 Auntie Emily 说什么？
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.